Hello everyone, welcome to Brillbook. In this video, we will have a look at purchase management. We will cover the following topics in this video. Creation of purchase requisition, submission and approval of purchase requisition from manager, submission and approval of purchase requisition from purchase team, creation of purchase order against purchase requisition, creation of arrival against purchase order, and updation of item stock. To start with this video, we will be creating a purchase requisition record. To create a purchase requisition record, first we need to log into Brillbook. Here I have already logged into the Brillbook with the inventory user. The inventory user is the user who having access to create and submit the purchase requisition record. To create purchase requisition, navigate to the procurement menu group. Expand the procurement menu group and click on purchase requisition. Collapse this menu list. Here you can see the list page of purchase requisition. With the help of create button, we will create the purchase requisition record. Here you can see the create page of purchase requisition. Now I am going to add the details to the required and mandatory field of this form. Now I am going to select the item, select entity. Here you can select the component or a product as an item. Select unit, add quantity, select purpose for this purchase requisition, add vendor, add site and warehouse details in related details section, add expected delivery date. After successfully add the details to the purchase requisition, click on save button to save this record. Here you can see the detailed page of purchase requisition and per unit price is get mapped from cost by weight price of weight based pricing section. Now our next step is to submit the purchase requisition to manager. For that, click on approval button and click on submit button. Here you can see the purchase requisition status. It changed from new to submitted to manager. Now our next step is to approve this record from manager. For that, log out with the inventory user and log in to the inventory manager. Here you can see the notification bell icon. Click on notification bell icon and click on purchase requisition record. Here you can see the purchase requisition status is submitted to manager. Now I am going to approve this record. For that, click on approval button and click on approve button. Here you can see the purchase requisition is marked as approved by manager. Now our next step is to approve this purchase requisition by purchase team. For that, log out with the inventory manager and log in to the purchase user. Click on notification bell icon. Here you can see the notification is received by purchase user to approve this purchase requisition. Click on that purchase requisition. Here you can see the purchase requisition status is approved by manager. To approve this purchase requisition by purchase team, click on the approval button and click on approve. Here you can see the status is marked as approved by purchase team. Now our next step is to create purchase order against this purchase requisition. For that, navigate to the purchase requisition menu from menu list. Click on purchase requisition menu. Select the purchase requisition record from the grid which is in approved by purchase team status. And click on create purchase order button. Here you can see the purchase orders detail page and vendor, expected delivery date, line item amount, total amount, net amount is already mapped to the purchase order from the purchase requisition record. Here you can see the lines tab besides the details tab. Click on the lines tab. Here you can see the purchase order line is created from the purchase requisition record. After successfully created the purchase order and purchase order line, click on the submit button to submit this purchase order record. Here you can see the purchase order is marked as same. Now our next step is to create arrival against this purchase order. For that, log out with the purchase user and log in to the inventory user. expand the menu list and navigate to the inventory menu group. Expand the inventory menu group and click on arrivals menu. Here you can see the list page of arrival. With the help of create button, we will create the arrival record. Here you can see the create page of arrival. Now I am going to add the details to the required and mandatory field of this form. Add the date and time. Select site. Select warehouse. Add arrival location. After successfully add the details on arrival form, click on save button to save this record. Here you can see the detail page of arrival having lines tab beside the details tab. Click on the lines tab. Here you can see the arrival lines grid. Click on create button to create arrival line record. Here you can see the create page of arrival line. Now I am going to add the details to the required and mandatory field of this form. Select purchase order. Select order line. Add thickness. Add the received weight. After successfully add the details to the arrival line, click on save and close button. It will help to save the arrival line record and we will redirect to the arrivals detail page. After successfully creation of arrival and arrival line, now our next step is to submit this arrival. For that, click on the submit button. Click on OK. Open the arrival line. Add the to location. And click on save and close button. Click on submit to submit this arrival record. Here you can see the arrival status is marked as approved. click on process button to process this arrival. Here you can see the arrival status is marked as process. Now I am going to check the purchase order and purchase requisition status. For that, expand the menu list, expand the procurement menu, click on purchase requisition, change the query as received requisition. Open the purchase requisition record. Here you can see the purchase requisition is marked as received. Now check the item stock. For that, click on the hyperlink present in items field. Click on inventories tab. Here you can see quantity on hand and quantity available is 40 square millimeter. And to check the purchase order status, click on inventories, click on arrival, select query as all arrivals, click on arrival record, click on lines tab, and here you can see the arrival lines grid. Click on the order line. After click on the order line, we will redirect to the purchase order lines detail page. Here you can see the purchase order line status is marked as received. Click on the purchase order Here you can see the purchase order is also marked as received. So in this video we had an overview for complete purchase management, starting from creation of purchase requisition, submission and approval of purchase requisition from manager and purchase team, creation of purchase order against purchase requisition, and creation and process the arrival against the purchase order. Thank you.